Hello, this is Piotr Piekielniak from Portfolio Activation Specialist team, part of Cisco CX. Welcome to EA Management Series. In this video, I will show you how to generate on-prem licenses on the example of email security. Once you are logged into your smart account at Cisco Software Central, scroll down a bit and access EA Workspace. Now you need to find the respective virtual account created on the purpose of Security EA. Here it is. You can click on the name or on Catalog. It will take you to that same place. If you are not sure how many entitlements left for your email security, you can always open a consumption report. Here it is. A new window will open in your browser. And let's find email security. Click on the name. So you're able to see how many of entitlements were purchased, how many of them were already generated, and what is the balance left. As you can see, you are still entitled to 700 licenses. Let's go back to Enterprise Agreements then. Let's find Cisco Email Security, expand the plus next to it, and click on Licensing Provisioning. We would like to receive Email Security Appliance licenses. Let's go with Smart Licenses selection, and then you can select a target virtual account where your licenses will be deposited. I will leave it as it is, and I will go with Select Features. A bundle of email security appliance licenses includes Advanced Malware Protection, go with 100, Graymail Safe Unsubscribe license, SMA Centralized Email Management Reporting license, and Premium Software Bundle license. Click on Verify License now, and as you can see, there is a blue bar showing that everything is okay because you are entitled to 40 to 100 licenses for all of them, and you are requesting 100 of each. You can click on Review, and here is just a summary of your action. Once you generate licenses, licenses will be generated automatically and deposited in your CSSM. And that's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Bye.